fellow Southern Cameroonians, citizens of Ambazonia. Today na number 30 day for number 4 month for 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. At times, now we Ambazonian then be our own worst enemy. When things they move fine, now for the way you go see from nowhere, enemies of progress, somehow something they go they come for can chakararam. Just when one who feel say would have stopped that amber to amber fight. Now so one day they come again for Balangi. When I hear how some amber boy them, they go attack amber boy them, the key even commander them. After when I hear, I go tell una the one way they before my table right now. Una listen.
But Balangi commander died on shoot so where Edziki soldier don't come go kill from Balangi. Edziki soldier don't come go kill on Balangi. Now I send for you so now picture that so they should kill it today.
Why would you kill yourself? Why would you kill yourself so no? Why?
The more Edziki come the Komongo attack from Balangi, we eat for bush. As he for bush, they go attack we he on soldier don't come out for bush, leave he come for us. They go attack he, kill he for day. I say probably we it did now, not be small one. The Balangi soldier don't come pass go Edziki go kill 2 picking of Edziki to don't pass go Balangi for go attack again back again for rate 2. I say the war not easy. We did now not be small war.
Fire it come off for year before you want quench am. It come off for year before you want quench am. Would it talk, they cry, it pain wa heart when would they see all this kind amber to amber fighting. Now how the kind thing that they come about. I give on a waiting way for my front right now as I talk. The commander for Konang, the ADF commander for Konang, where he go arrest John Frundi. As I talk for you now, so they threaten for Kili. No be la Republic, eh? They not only threaten, then send the threat through me, Capo Daniel. Then tell me, say, Capo Daniel, we go kill that general away, then go catch Frundi. Because, say, when he go talk, if we are interview, he mention I'm saying na ADF. Now the fruit them this so for county by county way Sakorangiwi. I not go call himself saying na the interim acting president because the interim government for Seseko Ayoktabi then move the Sako, so he act illegitimately. The guy way na he be the buoy local government for diaspora. The guy there for Germany. His name na Elvis. I not go give all the information. Where he send me this information. He talks say because the ADF fighter, where he launched this operation with an ADF unit, he say because he mentioned ADF, the other soldier the way they live for that area where they know be ADF, they go jealous and they go vex and then they go can kill you.
These guys get sick, they go to the hospital, nobody pays their hospital bills. These guys need bullets, they ask for bullets, nobody gives them bullets. But if ADF is saying, okay, we've been giving them bullets, okay, fine and good. Then the others of the boy warriors would like to know, because we've never had anything come from ADF, why we would then be taking the bulk for paying some other things. And then this goes around where you guys have your own people that you give them things in the back secretly without others knowing, and then send them out on mission. That would be something that we would like to know.
Now the thing this way, the key was struggle. So you get political scavenger them for diaspora, where they find money for gear and for soldier. Not be because they do want to support them work, because they pay a hospital, they pay hospital bill for soldier, because they provide granite, because they provide support. That means say that soldier then become na their own. Anything where that soldier do if you know give them the glory, when a thing where they go take and where they talk na say na that county, they don't give them a parliamentarian post or a local government post or wait till they call them for them. If you never do that, so that soldier don't want do that work, call and name where you go can give them some position for some place, then it be enough justification for threatening that soldier alive. Now the people then this way they destroy this was struggle. At the early on for this stage, for this struggle, the time where we will see the struggle, the debate about federalism, Dr. Ayabacho for the ADF, they be done send their people them, then go train army, they be raise an army. Time where we be still deny even for get engaged into any self-defense or any liberation struggle. I remember in those early days, the first time we the ADF they be pick up the deal for Northern Zone Day, will be even apologize. Seseko Ayokta be stand apologize. At that time, they be the build already this defense mechanism them. Today, when Sakodan come, he decides he want join the defense mechanism them. You go around, find all these political scavenger them for the diaspora. Me they go pay for play. They bring money, they bring these things say county by county way. Any man way there for diaspora, you go to pay money for the soldier them for your village. Then for that money way they give they pay their bills them. Not be just for support for them, but now for justify your own position for the inside the interim government. All that fight for position in them. Now it destroy we. Tomorrow how they give this justification? As soon as the year had the other fighter they fight for day. Now say they go to send another fighter they now. They give this rationale for them. Tomorrow now I say Kapura, they don't go key Kapura. Now say it start. When I listen for the Kapura own message where they send them, he complain the threat they threaten in life. When I hear he.
Graham, you people should better check it out here. I don't know why these people are after me because of the arrest of that Frundi. You people should better check it out. I don't know whether it is the matter of me approaching myself as ADF commander in Bui or what. Yes, I don't even know. So such a way where somebody will just sit down there and be pointing me to be killed.
They think then this way it destroy our struggle. Say one person, because you no one acknowledges to another person they exist, you go start fight always for quench the name. When I fight nana for La Republique or na the fight nana for Ambazonia or na the fight nana for una position them. Why una know with me the people ready to liberate the country, me they liberate them? Any man for this struggle, where if you want support some group, you no go support them. If he no go give you glory, if he no go give you position, if they no go acknowledge them, now that people that they spoil this was struggle. And they send these messages out. We na fought and for all political scavenger them for the diaspora, where they want to do something, they no go look initiative where they work for support them. They go want go create na their own, where you go give the name tomorrow. Now they spoil this struggle because they say if you want to go for equity, you must come with clean hand. Liberate them. Now people they selfless people. People like Pata Sang, where they deny bribe. They want to do them now say they don't sacrifice their life. People then like I have a Cho Akwanga the way since where they be teenagers them, they don't give their life for Ambazonia. Day after night they be stand for UN office. Now that kind of people they liberate people who no be political people they find a money for becoming where bling code them. No. For get our independence, we need for allow anybody where be competent. Me do the thing where he do and for his side where he did it. They for start fight for control people, for start fight for get names. Now he go destroy we. If people they don't set up their defense mechanism, you want to use defense, call them when I shoot down together when I see how they do the defense. You want to support them, you support them. For start begin use bribery and corruption. We no fit fight one system for La Republique, they create the same system for Ambazonia. It don't make our lost so many soldiers them. Well, they don't be supposed to die. The thing will happen for that for Bui na Seyeti. The ADF come where they be set up for the way na be the first group where they set up for ADF for Bui. It will be na the warriors of Bui. But because the IG come in say they want make defense also them bring plenty money, they say me then come to a compromise. The eight commander where they be there for they then join say okay, move change and I say na Bui warriors them. So the commander the way they be go under the IG. When they do any joint operation or collaboration, they go claim and say na the name for the Bui warriors. But the ADF them then still be Libra for carry on their operation by themselves. When they carry operation by themselves without any backup, na their operation then get right. No matter how it be, we na go one key soldier because he introduce himself. Now say it don't be. We need for unite. Unity means say the unit them, the various unit them meet them come together. La Republique then get gendarme, then get army, then get police, all they join together, they fight we. Even with different khaki, then they join go fight we. Time when I join patrol and mix patrol, they fight. When only the army come, they fight. Why we too no fit do on the same? We Sokadef, ADF, Tigers, General Ariki, Resistance Forces, 7 Kata, all then join. If they want for the IG, then for the county by county, then join. They go do. I'm saying a joint project. If now one by one person, why would they fear? Me ADF no prosper. Why would they fear? Why did they want quench the name? Every time where you do one high something, you create pressure. You create unnecessary argument. You make people they fight for nothing. Oh, now they fight now for go sell we. Now wait, now ready wait to be behind it in way would then begin the key or serve them. Over name. Why would they afraid? Why people they afraid? For all those political scavengers them, I want to say yeah for now. Every group, how we move the circle for the IG, Una make sure say any political scavenger wey dey for day, whether na for AGC or na ADF or na APLM, every group wey get person where he own money na say his name must be for before, he own contribution na say me be, so all those selfish people, una move am for outside, because no be only money go save. We will need the money, but no be only money. So money they come so they can kill. So support they come so they can kill. Una shine una eye, and I talk for the commander that down. Any man where he want support una na on condition, una be very careful. And una no follow order, una no challenge una brother just because say some man for diaspora ran tell una they give una motive them for do am. Una reject them completely. Military code na say una respect every man he come, any group. If na some person that set up become, una respect them. People them plenty where they want fight. Me man no go begin recruit na for inside other person he come. You want go preach for bring people them for safe give salvation. Go preach for one way they no get church. Una no begin go disturb people the way they already dey inside their prayer house. You know if you go now for Easter man in church for go do your own evangelism. Go for outside with people that she don't for you do your own evangelism. Una shine una eye, una take responsibility for kick out and silence all these political.
Okay, you are talking today, Wiba. Where did Wiba start talking? Is it not in Parliament? Maybe.
The commander in charge be officially notified Ni John Frundi say be under arrest on charges of facilitating colonialization of the British Southern Cameroon. It be questioned along that line. It be treated humanely. They be offer a kola nut and drink. Pa Frundi, una year for he respond, the talk say enough for call a parliamentarian and the meeting withdraw from La République du Cameroon.